modern classroom is a factory, and traditional school is a total drag. They treat us like cargo on an assembly line, demanding absolute submission to static, boring standards. But the old system is crashing. It's time for a quiet rebellion. Welcome to the ReadBoot Educational Operating System, or RBEOS, created by Trapp Systems. This isn't another lame corporate educational app. It's an entirely new architecture designed to replace the crumbling, motionless pillars of institutional schooling with dynamic, active learning. Instead of forcing everyone down the exact same rigid pipeline, RBEOS gives you a Personalized Enhancement Plan, or PEP. Think of it as a custom compiler for your life. And instead of heavy, immovable pillars of education, RBEOS runs on 6 active boot domains. Where a pillar just stands there getting dusty, a boot is worn, used, and steps forward on an active journey. These 6 boots are the non-hierarchical dimensions of a real, well-rounded human. First up is family. This boot focuses on personal and familial stewardship. It's the baseline foundation for independent living. Without it, you might excel academically, but completely crash when managing a basic home, support system, and everyday life responsibilities. Next, social. This is all about relational capital, influence, and teamwork. You need these competencies to interact effectively, build professional networks, resolve conflicts, and avoid isolating yourself in the real world. Third is the emotional boot. This is your internal processing power, self-awareness, and empathy. Emotional regulation and insight affect every decision you make. Without it, stress management and relationships fall completely apart. Fourth, we have the cultural boot. This is about cultural identity and contextual mastery. It gives you the awareness and sensitivity to navigate diverse global environments with respect. Fifth is career, the resource engine for your professional output and economic purpose. It combines technical skills, entrepreneurial thinking, and ethics so you can secure meaningful employment and adapt to changing job markets. And finally, fun. This is an autonomous domain dedicated to individual choice, play, and intrinsic purpose. It is hobbies and creative expression that prevent total burnout and keep your quality of life from diminishing. Static pillars are crumbling. Dynamic boots are ready to march. The power to design your educational path is finally in your hands. Initialize the system. Boot the future. Subscribe to join the rebellion.